So let's see the different type of marks that we can use, that we can obtain with these pastels. And let me use this, the back of this. So this is the pastel, right? Pastel without any medium. This is just ground pigment compressed together, and this will make you a mark like this, right? Very beautiful, right? Soft, right? Has a little bit of a grain, you can see, right? Enlarge it a little bit more. See that? It's a little bit of a grainy effect in there, like that, right? So this is non-oil base, Faber-Castell. This instead is oil base, right? This is oil base. So this one here makes the mark much cleaner, right? Thinner, possibly, and cleaner, right? This will smudge. The non-oil base will smudge. This one instead will not smudge, at least not much. Makes sense? Because this one has the oil base has the oil, it keeps in position. So color pencil, which I've been thinking we use the color pencil today, is you can use color pencil. It's almost indistinguishable from the traditional pastel, right? Another thing you could use is the sharpened stick. What did I put it? The sharpened Conti. I know I have it here. Here. So this is a stick, right? The square stick that you sharpen, and then you put in the pencil holder, and then you draw it. So you use it to draw. These tend to be grainier, right? These tend to be grainier. Sorry, here. So you might want to use these for bigger drawing. So the advantage of these is also that because they are flat, right? You can take this little thingy. Let me see if I can find one that is not like this, right? And use it flat like that. Makes sense? So you can cover big areas of color, right? Using this on the side or straight line like this, etc. So this is traditionally a very valid method of drawing.